What's up?
We're eating somewhere new. King Street Tacos.
King Street Tacos.
So it better be good.
Okay.
And I want to watch our car because I don't want anyone to come.
Yeah. And there it is. What is that?
It's tostada. I don't know how to eat it though.
Tostada?
Tostada.
Tostada. Of course, a burrito. Woo! Ow. Huge. Oh, look at your face. Look at that. It's amazing. New favorite place to eat.
It's actually really good. Yeah, I like it. Johnny, what happened?
It was so spicy.
The extra hot
Yep. Don't try this at home, kids. Where are we going, Mia?
sauce. Go ahead. We're gonna die. It's straight up a mountain.
Is it your first time to go there?
Yeah.
See that? That's where we're going. Right there.
Don't forget the happy thoughts. Happy thoughts.
I don't want you to show my zit. It's from stress.
That mountain, that's where we're going. Woohoo! Might look tiny, but it's actually pretty tall. Okay, I'm ready. Ready, Mia?
Mm-hmm.
Let's go.
Okay.
It's right there. Full? Don't worry, you'll burn it real quick. There it is. There's the trail. Dang, I'm tired already. I'm tired. Hey, wait up. I'm already tired. It hasn't even been 5 minutes into it. That's beautiful. Look. That's Honolulu. Oh man, I'm exhausted already. I ate hot burrito for lunch. Like super spicy. And my stomach is burning. Burning with hot sauce. Whose idea was this? I'm tired. I ate really hot Mexican food. I don't know if I can do this.
You can do it. Hello.
What are you waiting for?
I'm waiting for you. Johnny's slow. He told me he couldn't do it like 2 seconds ago.
Go, Mia. Go. This is dangerous. I could fall right through. I made it past the trail with holes. Okay.
Trail with holes.
Mia's almost there. Grab onto this. Alright, back on track. Spider-Man. We're almost there. You're in the way.
No, I don't care.
You can do it. We're almost there. It's right there.
Just give up.
5 more minutes. She's gone. She's probably ahead of me. Dang it. There she is. You rascal.
No, maybe you think I got kidnapped.
Okay. Malia is so close. She's almost there. Finally, I'm here. Yes. I guess there's more to it. These are the steps.
Wow. Look who it is.
Good job.